Hello friends and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to learn about enhance the navigation of form in Microsoft Access 2016. Now, whenever I open my navigation window, you can see that on extreme left side of your screen, you can see the navigation pane. Under that navigation pane, you can see various tables, report, queries and forms. Alright, so whenever I have to open any of those, like any table, report, query, I have to go to the navigation pane, double click on it and the report information will be displayed right in front of you. But I do not want to do that. I do not want to go every time to the navigation pane. Instead of that, we will create a navigation form which will allow me to access any of this database. I will pull any of the information and add it in the navigation form in such a way that we can access any of the report information, table information or a query information directly from the navigation form. As you can see on my screen, what is a navigation form? A navigation form is simply a form that contains navigation control. We will have a better understanding of it, how to create a navigation form and how to enhance the navigation form in our practical approach.
In this video, we are going to learn how to enhance the navigation of forms in Microsoft Access 2016. Now, before I get started, let me tell you quickly why it is done. Now, whenever I want to pull up a form, I have to go to this navigation pane, and under the forms, I will select the form which I want to pull out. So if I want the customers form, I have to double click and there it goes. I have it. If I want a menu item, so I have to double click and it pops up right in front of you. But what I want to do is basically I want all this under a same page so that I can access these forms all together at once. So that's why we use the navigation forms property or the feature which we are readily available with our Access 2016. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'll simply close all this tab. I don't want this. I will move to a blank screen. Now, in order to create a navigation form, I have to go to the create tab, and under the create tab I will move to the forms group, and under the forms group I can see there's a navigation button. If I click on this drop down menu, it is basically giving me the different layouts that they have with them. Alright, as of now we'll start off with the very basic one, that is my horizontal tabs, and I'll select horizontal tabs. Now, what is horizontal tabs? In which all the forms will be added horizontally, as in every tab will be arranged horizontally out here. If you choose vertically, it will be seen vertically out here. So this is the difference between the layouts. So you can choose whichever layout from the create tab. I'll go to navigation and I can select whatever I feel like, whichever layout is suitable for me, and I can select those tabs. Now let's go ahead and add those forms. So there are two ways of adding forms out here. Basically, I can simply type here. If I just type the name of the form, I'll make sure that I do not make any typo error. So I'll type in customers. I simply hit enter. The moment I hit enter, you can see the customer forms open up. Now, this is one way of doing it. Another way of doing this is that I can simply drag that particular form to this add new tab and it will be added out here. How I do this, it's quite simple. I will move to this navigation pane, and under the form tabs, let's say that this time I want the product form, right? So I simply select this and drag it here. So I get this navigation for products, and if I want some other forms as well, I'll simply select this and add here. Alright, so this is how you can add and you can get our navigation window. So if you go under the design tab, and if I go into the view, I will click this on the form view. So now if you can see, you can adjust or you can view all these forms all together at once. So simply, so can we say that it gives me a web page kind of look where I can access it the way we access it on my over the internet. All right, so this is how it is useful, and it is very useful when I'm navigating through different forms. When I want to refer different forms all together, I will definitely use this navigation forms. Now let's go ahead and edit this a little bit. What are the different formattings that we can do? We'll try to understand. So I'll again click on this drop down menu. I will click on the layout view. All right, in this layout view, or I'll select the design view. In design view, I can adjust the position of the all those fields and all these tabs. All right, if I want to make the changes with all these particular tabs, if I want to move them right or left, or if I want to delete them, I'll use this particular view, but I would go to the layout view as of now, and let's go and customize this. So let's say that I want to change the view of this, the colors, the appearance of it. For that, I have to go under the format tab, and under the format tab we can change the quick styles. If I click on this quick style menu, I have all these options. I can change the color, the themes, and everything changes, right? So this is how you can add. I can also change the shape of it if you click on this drop down menu, and let's say that I want a different shape. So if I select this, you can see the shape of my particular tab changes. Also, we can add different fills, different effects and outline. Now let's go ahead and add a different shadow effect to this. So if I click on this, now you can see there's a shadow effect given to this menu items. So this is how you can customize each and every tab depending upon your requirement, and you can change the look and the layout of this particular navigation forms. Also, the one thing which I want to add now, let's say that I do not want this navigation form to be displayed. I want to change the name of this. So I'll simply double click on it and hit backspace, and I can simply hit form home or forms, and I'll select this as home. So basically it is giving me an idea that it is a home page for all the forms that we have in our database. So this is how you can enhance the navigation of forms in Microsoft Access 2016.